Welcome to 60 Seconds with Kitch. Today we're going to talk about offsets and keeping your pile straight. Here is our new construction pile location. Here are two 2-foot offsets. So if I lose this spot, if the pile hits a rock or runs off or whatever, I can come back and measure 2 foot and find my location again and get it back straight. If I'm in a situation where I can't or don't want to put the 2 offsets in, at the very least, what I want to do is paint a great big X on the ground. So that after my pile digs up the center, I can still see where the center's supposed to be. Hope this helps. Thanks.